Alright, most carriages when they break, they'll break right underneath this collar over here. And to remove this, the bottom section of this carriage, you need to take a pair of pliers in between this collar and this white section there, get it in there, and break this off, and this part of the carriage will fall off. The remaining part of the carriage is this stem up on top here, and what you need to do is with an awl push this up, and it'll fall out on the top of this carriage up here. You have to be very careful that there's a wheel, a round wheel here with the teeth on it that needs to stay in there. There is a tool here that you can use when you hold it, and it's got a section there where it hooks onto the end of the carriage, and you just put that on there and it will hold that wheel down. So once you have that all removed, you take your replacement carriage and find out there's a little section there where it hooks onto right up there. Find the spot in the on this wheel where it has an indentation in there where this will hook onto, and all you do is just pop this in while pushing down on this to make sure that you don't lose that wheel on top. Slide that back up in there and you'll hear it click into place, and you might have to do an adjustment on the tilt control chain to get all the carriages lined up and line this one up, and then you're good to go.